All right. Hey, so I had a couple questions about the polynomial division, and well, let's go over a couple of them. So this is going to be the start of a couple of videos that I'm gonna kind of post to you guys. So the first problem that I have up here, we're going to determine if x plus 6 is a factor of x cubed plus 8x squared plus 4x minus 48. Now, in order for us to do this, we use long division. Now, this is very similar to the long division that you've done maybe back in elementary school, except it's on steroids. So how we go about this? Well, first things first. We look at the x value, the x term right here, and we look at this x cubed term right here. Ask yourself, what times x gets me x cubed? Well, x times x squared gets me x cubed. So that means I'd have an x squared up at the top here, and then I take this x squared term and I multiply it by x plus 6. So an x squared times x, well, that should give me an x cubed. X squared times 6, well, that should give me a positive 6x squared. Now, going back to elementary school, whenever we got this set down here, we always change the sign. So here that would be a minus x cubed, and here this would be a minus 6x squared. So when we change the signs, then we combine like terms. So an x cubed minus x cubed, well, that goes away. Positive 8x squared minus 6x squared, well, that gives me a positive 2x squared. And then now we bring down that 4x and we repeat the process. What times x gets me a 2x squared? Well, in this case, x times 2x gives me 2x squared. So the 2x will go up here, and then we take this 2x, multiply it by x plus 6. So 2x times x, well, that gives me 2x squared. 2x times 6, well, that gives me a positive 12x. Yet again, when we come here, we change the signs, and then we subtract. Well, 2x squared minus 2x squared, well, that cancels out. And then you have a positive 4x minus 12x, well, that would be a minus 8x. Last but not least, we bring the last term down, negative 48. We repeat the same process. What times x gets me a negative 8x? Negative 8. So the negative 8 goes right up here. And then we take this negative 8, multiply it by x plus 6, the divisor. So a negative 8 times x, well, that gets me a negative 8x. And then a negative 8 times a positive 6, well, that gets me a negative 48. Same process. We change the signs, and then add subtract. Well, a negative 8x plus 8x, well, that gives me 0. Negative 48 plus 48, well, guess what? That also gives me a 0. So guess what? I get a 0 for a remainder. If you get a 0 for a remainder, if you get a 0 down here, then that says that x plus 6 is indeed a factor of this polynomial. So we can conclude x plus 6 is a factor for x cubed plus 8x squared plus 4x minus 48. And right here, this is long division of polynomials in a nutshell.